In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Bendigo Bank branches and ATMs near you using their PC website. Finding a nearby branch or ATM is essential for many everyday tasks, from depositing checks to withdrawing cash, and Bendigo Bank has made this process straightforward through their website. I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you're confident in locating the services you need. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Bendigo Bank's official website. To do this, type in www.bendigobank.com.au into the address bar at the top of your browser and press enter. This will take you directly to their homepage, where you can access a variety of banking services and information. Once you're on the Bendigo Bank homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This is a key step, as the menu contains various options that will help you find the relevant services. Now that you have the drop-down menu in front of you, look for the option labeled Personal and click on it. This will bring up a new set of choices specifically tailored for personal banking needs, making it easier for us to locate branches and ATMs. Next, scroll down the page until you spot the Locate Us option. Don't worry, you might need to scroll a bit, but it should be clearly visible. Click on Locate Us and you will be redirected to the locator page. This is where the magic happens, where you can start the process of finding the nearest branch or ATM. On the locator page, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. In this search bar, you can type in your suburb, postcode, or city, whichever is most convenient for you or offers the most precise results based on your current location. Once you've entered the location details, go ahead and click the search button. This action will prompt the website to generate results tailored to your search criteria. After you hit search, the page will update to display a map with pins indicating the locations of branches and ATMs in your specified area. Not only does this map show the geographic locations, but you'll also find detailed information such as the branch address, contact details, opening hours, and even ATM availability. Having all this information at your fingertips allows you to plan your visit comfortably and efficiently. That's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated the Bendigo Bank website to find the closest locations for your banking needs. With this newfound knowledge, you'll be able to easily locate the branch or ATM that suits your requirements anytime you need it.